for today's video, I'm going to be doing a summer try-on haul for 2018, and I have a ton of clothes that I have been collecting since March, so it's about time I filmed this video. And since I bought a bunch of clothes, I actually uploaded a ton of new clothes to my Poshmark account, and this is not sponsored or anything, but I will link it down below because I have a ton of cute clothes on there that you guys may be interested in. I don't know. I asked you guys on my Instagram if I should just show the clothes, but everybody said they wanted a try-on haul, so I'm putting extra effort in today. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop on into this video. Starting out with the store Madewell. This is the only thing I got because that store is so expensive, but this is one of my most favorite items, so that's why we're starting out first. Basically, it's this blouse top that is all white, and it's off the shoulder and so cute, and sorry if I say cute a lot throughout this video. I say that in every haul. It has this amazing embroidered stuff on it. I don't know if my camera's focusing on it, but hopefully the try-on portion shows a better representation of what it looks like. And then on the bottom, it also has some embroidered stuff. Next, we are moving on to Forever 21, and the first thing I got from Forever 21 is what I'm wearing, and it's this like yellow top, and it has just like white and yellow stripes on it, and I think it's so adorable for the summertime because yellow I feel like looks really good with like blonde hair, and I didn't really think that until I started wearing yellow more often. I got a lot more compliments and stuff. And then shout out to my friend Megan if she's watching this. She got me inspired to get this dress, and she had the same exact dress and she wore it to Playlist. The fabric is red and white stripes, and it has like buttons down the front, and it's just this little mini dress. This next thing is a romper from Forever 21, and of course it has stripes on it. You guys probably think I'm obsessed with stripes now because everything from Forever 21 has stripes on it, but it's just like a white and blue striped romper. It has a cute little tie on the front and some cute little pockets, and it's great for summer if you're going to the beach or something, or just like walking around. It's perfect because it's really lightweight, and that's what I'm going for. I'm not trying to burn up 24/7. So moving on to the next thing from Forever 21, it is basically this like cute little crop top thing. I don't know exactly what you would call this, but it has buttons on the front, and I wore it to a music festival, and it's perfect for the weather because it was so hot when I was there, and definitely this helped because it was really lightweight and kind of airy. Now for the accessories from Forever 21, I got these shoes. I guess you could call these accessories, I don't know. They were only like $12, and I needed something cheap to wear to the beach and stuff because you don't want your flip-flops and stuff just getting all crusty. It's like this faux leather with the brown and stuff, and they seem pretty comfortable for being Forever 21 and super cheap. And then finally, I got these sunglasses, and I love them so much. They're really comfortable. If you guys watched my vlog channel, you see me wear these all the time. They have a gold rim and a silver lens, and I think that's so pretty for the summertime. Moving on to what I got from Lulu's. This first top has a blue, I guess, striped pattern. It's kind of like Aztec-ish, I guess, and it's white, and I love the little like ruffles and stuff at the end. Then I got this white top, and the one complaint I have about this top is it gets so wrinkled. I've only worn it once, and every time I wash it, it just gets wrinkled and it just doesn't dry out properly. It has like a weird little, I guess, clip thing right here where it can clip and unclip when you get it on, but it has adjustable straps and stuff. I only got it because it was cheap and I needed a white shirt to wear with like cute pairs of shorts and stuff like these. And I wanted to go a little bit out of my comfort zone and go with a yellow dress, and it's definitely a very bright colored, but I think it's really cool for the summertime. Put this on, you have to like put your arms through this little like loop thing and then like twist it, and it's very, very long. It's definitely a really long maxi dress, and it definitely goes to the floor, so it's pretty extra. And the final clothing item I got from Lulu's was this dress, and I also wore this at Playlist Live, but it's like a romper type dress, and it has a really cool like cutout back. It's kind of complicated to like deal with if you're looking at it right here, but once you tie it, it is so cool, and it looks like you're like a little sailor or something, but it's definitely, it's okay because it makes up for it because it's so adorable. Now my favorite item I got from Lulu's are these shoes. I love these so much. They are so comfortable, and they're one of my favorite colors, like this rose goldy color, and I just think they're so in style right now. They have this twine stuff on the outside. I think that cord stuff is really in style right now because I have these other shoes, and I got these yesterday at Target, and you guys are gonna be shook. And these were only $34, and can we just talk about how cute these are for only $34? Because let me just say, the ones that I've seen at like Nordstrom's and Dillard's and all those stores are like $100 for shoes like this, and they're from Target. So hit up Target if you're interested in some really cute shoes right now. Speaking of Target, I know this is not part of the try-on haul, but I have gotten a ton of new room decor. I got this really cute pillow. I got a lot of these pillows you're seeing back here. These ones I got from Anthropologie, but I got this one as well, and I have a ton of new room decor, so if you guys want me to, I can do an updated summer room tour, so comment down below if you want me to do that. I got this hat in the dollar section. It was only $5, and I just wanted a cute hat that I can like go like this with and make it really cute for an Instagram picture at the pool or something. So definitely this one works, and it was super cheap, so it definitely is going to come in handy this summer. And then another hat my friend Chris got me. If you watched the boyfriend buys my outfits challenge, we'd filmed that a while ago, but it's this no photos please hat, and I think it's so cute for the summertime. I also got this floaty, and I'll insert a picture of it right here. It's basically a Sunny Life Australia watermelon floaty, and I think it's so cute for summertime, and it's perfect for the pool or if you're having an Instagram photo shoot or anything like that. Now we're going to talk about what I got from Free People, and I got this when I was in Naples, Florida, which was actually a while ago. It was back during spring break, back in March, I believe, but I'm just now showing these. I got these Free People white shorts. I wanted some white shorts for just a beach day or just like a cute outfit, and I think these are perfect to wear with a solid colored t-shirt or something like that. The coolest thing is they have these 3 buttons, but you can't even see them, so you only see the front button. My mom got some sunglasses. I wanted to show them because they're really cute, but she got these ones that have this white pattern on them and a rose gold rim, and they look really cute. I'm definitely going to be wearing these and stealing them from her. And then she also got these ones. I'm not the hugest fan of them, but I still think they're pretty cool, and I don't know if they look amazing on me or anything. And I know with this video I've gone sunglasses crazy. I have a ton of sunglasses to show you, but I got these sunglasses at Lilly Pulitzer, and I seriously think these are one of my most favorite pairs of sunglasses. They are so comfortable. The lenses on these, because it literally cancels out the sun, and they have the cutest little outside. Like, that is adorable. I don't know if you can see it. I feel like this haul is turning into what my mom got for summer, but she also got these sunglasses which totally match her aesthetic. This next item is not really a clothing item, but I wanted to share it with you guys because I got the Aspen Ovard Tarte palette. This is honestly amazing because she has a similar skin tone to me, and I've been using all of these colors, like every single one of them. I love the blush. I love the whole palette altogether. It's great. I totally suggest it. Get it while it's still being sold because it's limited edition, and Tarte even retweeted my tweet, and I was so shook at that moment. Speaking of Aspen Ovard, I also got a swimsuit cover-up from her store. I guess it's a swimsuit cover-up. I don't really know what it is, but if I was going to the pool, I'd wear this as a swimsuit cover-up, and it just has like this black design on the front and is perfect for a little pool cover up, I think. And speaking of swimsuits now, I have talked about a lot of swimsuits on my channel. I've done multiple swimsuit videos, so I'll link them down below, but I did get one new swimsuit for the summertime. It's like this vintagey one, and it has a pink and white striped pattern, and it's from PacSun, and it has little, like, I guess buckles on the side and like openings. So here's the final item I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. These are these shorts from American Eagle, and I think they are so cool for the summertime. They have like this florally pattern on them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any questions or want a link to this stuff, comment down below because I will be able to send you guys a link to this stuff, hopefully, if I can find it online. But make sure to follow me on all my social media so you can see me wear this stuff this summer. I also have a giveaway going on my last video, so make sure to check it out, and it will be ending in 2 weeks from whenever that video was uploaded. But I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks. Bye!